Trzymaj się! Ja
¡Mira eso! ¡Wow! ¡Mira eso!
¡Tsunami!
¡Wow! ¡Mira eso, por Dios!
¡Qué nivel! ¡Qué nivel!
¡Mira! ¡Se vino todo! ¡Sí, todo!
¡Tsunami! Salió a correr.
No, es que era la
Pero van a nosotros.
Christophe de Margerie is an ice-breaking gas carrier designed for year-round transportation of liquefied natural gas in difficult ice conditions. The vessel is capable of independently overcoming ice up to 2.1 meters thick. It has been assigned the Arc 7 ice class, the highest ice class among existing merchant vessels. The power propulsion system is 45 $, which is comparable to the power of a modern nuclear icebreaker. Academic Treshnikov is a Russian hydrometeorology and environmental monitoring research vessel sailing through a storm in the Bay of Biscay. The MSC Opera cruise ship was about to dock at the passenger terminal in Venice when it experienced technical problems. Two tugboats guiding the cruise ship in Venice tried to stop it, but were unable to prevent a collision due to a broken tow rope. As a result, the vessel crashed into a pier and damaged a moored pleasure craft.
Meg, you totally stoked for this?
No, I'm not.
Meg, did you get roll out of the chair?
Oh my god, this is just getting a little bit scary now rather than just plain exhilarating. The guys are still trying to do their thing in the restaurant. This is the best view. The outer decks, as you can see by the notice earlier, they're obviously completely closed. You've got to be really silly to go out in this. But let's just carry on looking at a 4.7 gale in the Drake Passage. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the Drake Passage. It takes you between Antarctica and South America. We're heading back now. We had a relatively quiet passage coming over, but now it's payback time.
Like, little Joe was like, yeah, I just stopped looking at the weather because one time they sent us out there in a storm or something, so I don't even know.
Yeah. Oh, I love this job.
Meter hoge golfje dit.
Incredible footage captured inside a cruise ship caught in a tropical hurricane. The ship is tossed from side to side, causing everything inside to collapse.
Be careful, that window's open. The windows are open, don't fall out.
ready for number 10? Number 10, here we go, number 10.
Beautiful shots of the Queen Elizabeth cruise ship in the Atlantic Ocean during an 11 magnitude storm. The ship cleaves through huge waves.
Oh, you could, yeah.
I can see that coming. Look at that, actually, that way.
On the morning of 16th April 2014, the ferry MV Sewol sank while en route from Incheon towards Jeju City in South Korea. The 6,125-ton vessel sent a distress signal from about 2.7 kilometers north of Byongpungdo at 0858 KST. In the port of Barcelona, the passenger ferry Excellent crashed into a pier due to strong winds, collapsed a loading crane, and caused a fire. Containers with dangerous chemicals were located on the shore. The port staff was evacuated. There were 420 passengers on board the ferry, and no one was injured in the accident. On board the ship MS Expedition, Force 12 on the Beaufort scale, from the Antarctic Peninsula to South America.
C'est beau.
What's Oh my god. Oh my god! It's gonna crash.
This trip to Antarctica is getting really interesting.
Oh my god!
The Hanseatic Nature class vessel was built at the VARD shipyard in Norway. Hanseatic Spirit was commissioned in the summer of 2021. The ship belongs to the expedition division of Hapag-Lloyd Cruises. The liner performs cruises all over the world.
A cruise ship sailing through the legendary Drake Strait between the southernmost tip of South America and Antarctica was caught in a powerful storm. "40-foot heart-stopping waves that were enough to knock other passengers off their feet. This is really an unforgettable adventure, perhaps for which people go on an ocean cruise.
Get the out.
When this passenger left their balcony open, they definitely didn't expect their cabin to end up like this.
They gonna close my door so they can slide in the hallway.
7376.
Go close the door.
Oh my God.
You ain't scared.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Well, that was my room full of goddamn birds.
Baby, you okay? Baby, where you at?
Alright, we're in Cozumel. We just ran into another ship.
The Arctic nuclear icebreaker was launched on June 16, 2016. The latest technologies were used in the construction of the icebreaker, and its capacity is 80,000 horsepower. The icebreaker, with a displacement of 33,540 tons, is designed to overcome flat ice 2.8–2.9 meters thick while maintaining its speed. The main feature of the icebreaker is that it has a double draft. Running speed 41 km/h. Crew 74 people.
Really?
Yeah,
Ja, tu peux plus qu'on se pied celui-là, là.
Yeah, we're an icebreaker. I got it.
It's gonna be a big one, I think. Oh, look at this! Oh, holy!
This is the Johns Hopkins Glacier calving. A calving this size has not been seen for over 30 years. This was observed from our cabin balcony on the yacht Island Princess. While sailing between Warnemünde and Le Havre, a guest was taken ill and required medical treatment on land. The helicopter was too large to fit on the helipad and was required to hover while flying sideways, as the ship was still traveling at 18 knots. Incredible bit of flying. A cruise ship crashes into an iceberg and a burst of water erupts behind the ship. Sawyer Glacier in the Tracy Arm Fjord, Alaska.
Wow, that's a big piece. Oh my God, look at that piece. Oh my God.
Oh man. Whoa.
I had it on video.
Here we go again. Here we go again.
Another one. Holy crap. Wow. Bananas.
No, it's just ice.
That was dumb.
Well, I don't have a sense of humor, so I have to do what I can.
Oh, wall's going.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding?
Oh, quit saying you're processing and shoot pictures of you. From the top to the bottom.
There it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. Best of all.
Look at that, a pile is falling.
Whoa. Are you videoing this?
All of it.
Whoa. Holy crap.
Video taken on the Queen Elizabeth in very rough seas during her maiden transatlantic crossing in January 2011.
So we're on the anthem of the seas, and this is what we're doing right now. Got an awesome storm going on, rocking this massive boat, about 100+ mile-an-hour winds, as you can see.
Oh no. Lose some of the red.
I've never seen anything like this before. You want to open it?
Don't open it.
No. Oh.
That's so dangerous.
Look at this. I've never seen weather like this. Thunderstorm.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, no.
Here comes the wave.
Preparation of ice platforms and unloading of the vessel on the dock in the Yenisei Bay of the Kara Sea through the Northern Sea Route. 3,500 tons of cargo and more than 170 pieces of equipment.
Boom. Controcolata. Scoppiata.
Coral Geographer is a new expedition cruise ship operated by Australian cruise line Coral Expeditions. The vessel is designed to undertake tropical expedition cruising and to access remote wilderness shores that are not easily accessible by large cruise vessels.
That? A giant stingray? That's so much Calving. Yeah.
And one spot though?
That's the biggest I've ever seen in my life. Join it together.
Oh my god. Ew, it looks nasty though. Thank you.
Yo, what the hell?
Ew. Ew, one dirty.
Yeah?
We just hit an iceberg. We just hit an iceberg! Oh my god! It's Titanic!
Cruise ship Anthem of the Seas go through Hurricane Hermine.
Ya no me gusta nada. No me gusta nada. Ya piedad. Esto es piedad.
The Grand Holiday cruise ship passes through powerful waves in a storm. You can see how the ship tilted, which caused panic among passengers and crew.
C'è una deliziosa. Stavamo per incontrare.
We ain't gonna go out this way, Jay. We're gonna be all right. I want to go out.
This way.
Oh!
God damn.
Mother.
Oh no! Oh, bro, oh man!
The Sevmorput nuclear-powered container ship can sail at high latitudes without the help of icebreakers and unload directly onto the ice without a berth. The vessel is capable of navigating independently in continuous flat ice fields up to 1 meter thick at a speed of about 2 knots. The hull is divided by 11 transverse watertight bulkheads into 12 compartments, including 6 cargo holds.
Не ругайся, снимай.
This iceberg was calved by Argentina's Uppsala Glacier. While we were passing by it with a catamaran, the huge berg lost a part of itself and then flipped over with a huge roar. While exploring a glacier in the Tracy Arm Fjord in Alaska, large chunks of ice fall from a 200-foot tidal glacier, and a huge wave rises that rocks the boat.